Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of how a new life begins? From a single cell to a fully formed baby, it's one of nature's most amazing stories. Let's dive into the miraculous process of human development. It all starts with a single moment: fertilization. In the fallopian tube, one determined sperm cell from the father meets an egg cell from the mother. When they unite, they create a zygote, a tiny, single cell packed with all the genetic instructions needed to build a unique human being. This is where your personal blueprint was first written. Immediately, this zygote starts an incredible journey toward the uterus, dividing and multiplying along the way. Within just a few days, it transforms into a blastocyst, a small cluster of cells. This little traveler then nestles into the uterine wall in a process called implantation. This is the official start of pregnancy, a 9-month-long adventure of growth and change. Once implanted, the blastocyst becomes an embryo. The first 12 weeks, known as the first trimester, are a period of intense construction. The brain, spinal cord, and a tiny heart that begins to beat are all taking shape. Limbs start to bud, and by the end of this stage, the embryo is now called a fetus and is starting to look distinctly human. From weeks 13 to 26, the second trimester begins. This is when things really start to pick up speed. The fetus grows rapidly, and delicate features like eyelids, eyebrows, fingers, and toes become defined. Inside, the little one starts to move, stretch, and kick movements the mother may begin to feel. It's a magical time when the connection between mother and baby becomes truly tangible. The final stretch is the third trimester, from week 27 until birth. The fetus is now focused on maturing and gaining weight, preparing for the outside world. The lungs develop fully, and the brain undergoes rapid growth. The baby gets into position, usually head down, ready for the big day. Finally, after about 40 weeks, the process of labor begins. Through an incredible effort from both mother and baby, a new life enters the world, taking its first breath. From a single cell to a crying newborn, this journey is a true testament to the wonder of life. Thanks for watching this incredible journey with me. If you found this fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories about our world. See you next time. Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of how a new life begins? From a single cell to a fully formed baby, it's one of nature's most amazing miracles. Let's explore this fascinating process together. It all starts with a moment called fertilization. Deep inside the fallopian tube, a single sperm cell meets an egg. When they unite, they create a zygote, a tiny cell that holds the complete genetic blueprint for a new person. This is the very first spark of life. As this zygote travels toward the uterus, it begins to divide rapidly, multiplying from 1 cell into 2, then 4, and so on. In just a few days, it becomes a small cluster of cells called a blastocyst. This little traveler then finds a cozy spot on the uterine wall and attaches itself in a process called implantation. This is the official start of pregnancy. Now the real development kicks in during the first 12 weeks. Known as the first trimester, the blastocyst grows into an embryo. This is a crucial time when all the major organs and body systems start to form. The heart begins to beat. The brain and spinal cord take shape, and tiny buds that will become arms and legs appear. By the end of this stage, the embryo is now called a fetus and is starting to look like a miniature human. Moving into the second trimester, from week 13 to 26, the fetus grows much larger and stronger. Facial features become more defined, and fully formed fingers and toes are visible. This is also when the fetus starts to move, stretch, and kick. The mother can often feel these first flutters, and a doctor can hear the baby's strong heartbeat. The final stage is the third trimester, from week 27 until birth. During this time, the fetus focuses on maturing and gaining weight. The lungs develop completely, preparing for that first breath of air. The baby gets bigger, stronger, and eventually turns head down, getting into position for birth. Finally, after about 40 weeks, the incredible journey reaches its destination. The process of labor begins, and a new baby enters the world, ready to start its own life story. From a microscopic cell to a breathing, crying newborn, the development of a human being is truly a remarkable adventure. Thank you so much for watching this journey with us. If you found this as amazing as we do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more incredible content. See you next time.